I am at this vending machine right now at for my little brother's water polo tournament, and I was pretty hungry, so I wanted to buy some chili cheese Fritos. I really love them, so use at your own risk. That's definitely gonna help. It only costs $1. I'm also gonna get some water. So that's 126 right there. 1, 2, 6. There's my Fritos. Nice. Okay, I got that. It costs $1, so no change. But I'm also gonna get some water. It's $1.75. But I got no change, so I'm gonna put in 2 bills. There's 1, 2. So Aquafina. There we go. And there we go. I put in. Ooh, I got free change. How awesome is that? I got extra I got an extra 40 cents. Oh my god, free money.